back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and we are focusing on Wellness Wednesday. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you guys, or I want to share with you guys one product that have changed my skin throughout the past week, and that is using rose water in my daily skincare routine. Okay, let's talk about the health benefit of rose. Rose is scientifically proven untuk reduce stress and depression, and at the same time people are using it untuk aromatherapy purpose. That's why you see a lot of companies out there are actually taking advantage of this and producing product line that are rose infused in it. For example, if you buy a perfume, they have rose scents in it. And at the same time, product formulators in the beauty industry are taking advantage of the benefits of rose as well. Kalau korang boleh tengok, there's a lot of rose infused products out there. Rose ceramides cream, rose toner, rose this and rose that. So there's a lot of people are using rose in their everyday life because they believe in the benefits that it offers. So there's a lot of benefits of rose for your skin. Dia boleh reduce redness, dia boleh reduce, dia ada anti-inflammatory and antibacterial punya properties. So that's good, and it will soothe the skin. Dia ada antioxidant as well, and there's a lot of other benefits that you can actually benefit from rose itself. Alright, are you guys ready to see the product that I'm about to show you guys? I've used AmirulD rose water before this, but the product is actually heavily scented. So I find it after I spray it on my face or I use it as the toner, my face akan jadi a little bit red, so I know that my skin irritates from all the fragrance yang ada dalam tu. And I did a little bit of research and I came across this one brand called Mamonde or Mamon. Some people call it Mamonde, but I call it Mamonde. This is rose water toner. So basically it is formulated with 90.97% of rose water, Bulgarian rose water, and it functions to soothe and moisturize your skin, and it's suitable for all skin types. So if you're like me, I have oily skin, so I don't like products that are too heavy on my skin or products that feel tacky after you put on your face. I've updated my skincare steps as well after I discovered this product. Before this, I would wash my face, and after that, I would apply my moisturizer, sunscreen, and that's it. And after I discovered this product, I actually have another step, which is after I wash my face, then I use this rose water toner, and then I apply my moisturizer, and then sunscreen. Then after that, I understand that actually before this, my skin was dehydrated. If you have oily skin like me, you have to understand that it comes from a dehydrated skin. So dehydrated skin means skin kat dalam tu, actually the dermis itself is actually kering. So that's why it produces a lot of oil to really balance it out. And then when you have something to hydrate your skin from within, and then you seal it with moisturizer, so basically your skin tu dah tak produce a lot of sebum like usual, sebab kat dalam tu dah ada hydration, and then dekat luar tu dia dah moisturize, dah lindung kulit you, and that's why I notice the difference in my skin lah. Alright, let's go to the fun part. So these are the 3 ways that you can infuse rose water in your skincare regimen every single day. Okay, the first is after you wash your face in the morning and you dab it with your face towel, and you can I bought it in Sephora, this empty bottle of face spray, and then you can just like put this inside here, and you can just spray it like this, like that. And then you would wait until it like kering a little bit before you apply your moisturizer. That's the first step. And then the second method, how you can use it is actually you just put it on your palm. You just letak a few drops of this rose water, and you and then you just put it on your face like that. That's the second method. And then the third way of how you want to use it is actually you use the cotton pads like this. Just do it like this and drop a little bit. Use it like you use like your punya regular toner, and you just put it on your face and rub it on your face. Make sure you use the upward motion so that you can massage it into the skin as well. And remember, using this rose water will be the second step of your skincare routine every single day. So it is after your cleanse and before moisturizer. And I promise you, after a week, you will feel the difference. And you'll feel like every morning you wake up, you akan rasa kulit you hydrated and actually bouncy, and you can see the difference lah. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching as much as I enjoy doing it for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!